So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum with cash here on at crypto.com. So once you open up crypto.com, I want you to go to the home screen here and then either select Ethereum under favorites or go to the top left, press on buy, and then type in Ethereum or ticker symbol ETC. Once you have Ethereum selected here, I want you to make sure that cash is selected. So for instance, I have Apple Pay selected, but if you wanted to add a payment method for a credit card or a debit card, etc., you can go ahead and press an add payment method and do it that way. But this will also show you how much cash is going to cost you. So for example, if you wanted to buy at this moment in time 0.02 Ethereum, that would cost me about 107 bucks roughly Canadian. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on buy, and proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Ethereum with cash here on at crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.